Today's Global Pulse. 1. Asian stock markets surged after President Donald Trump postponed the planned increase in tariffs on Chinese goods for another 90 days. Japan's Nikkei 225 jumped 2.2% to finish at a record 42,718, boosted by tech stocks like Toyota and SoftBank. Investors welcomed relief from higher tariffs and the continued negotiations between the world's two largest economies, though uncertainty remains about long-term trade relations. Other Asian markets also advanced, while China's indexes remained more muted, reflecting cautious optimism over the tariff truce. 2. Trump's executive order delaying higher tariffs allowed both China and the U.S. to announce reciprocal pauses, temporarily diffusing the trade war and opening space for further talks. Market analysts note that this delay is strategic, not purely goodwill, and say companies should expect volatility to persist as deals are negotiated. Without the delay, tariffs on Chinese imports could have jumped from 30% to even higher levels, threatening a new cycle of retaliation. 3. Circle, the U.S. stablecoin issuer, saw its shares jump by more than 6% after posting quarterly revenue that exceeded analyst forecasts, its first earnings release since a high-profile public listing. Though posting a net loss due to IPO expenses, Circle's core, revenue mainly from interest income on stablecoin reserves, beat expectations, fueling optimism for future growth. The rollout of Circle's ARC blockchain and supportive new legislation for digital assets have also driven market enthusiasm, with the stock up more than 400% since its IPO. 4. Chinese industry and government groups have urged local companies to stop buying U.S.-made chips, citing national security risks after the latest U.S. crackdown restricting exports for over 140 Chinese firms. Beijing warned that U.S. chips are no longer safe and pressed for domestic or alternative suppliers. The U.S., meanwhile, maintains that its chips remain reliable, calling for targeted export controls focused on security threats. Trade tensions continue, with China also cautioning third countries against making deals with the U.S. that undermine Beijing's interests. This is Newsboy Club. Tap the heart. Join the club.